你好，小朋友，今天我们还是一起戴帽子，然后上一个英文课，准备好？一二三，说英文。All right, so yesterday we watched a video and learned about synonyms and antonyms. So let's take a minute to review what those words mean. So synonyms means words that have very similar meaning to another word. So for example, a synonym for fast would be quick. Night and evening have similar meanings, and yell and shout have pretty much the same meaning. Small and little, glad and happy. Right? So this is what we did yesterday on Seesaw for practice. And antonyms are words that have the opposite meaning of a different word. So for example, fast and slow, night and day, yell and whisper, small, big, happy, and sad. Right? So those are what we learned yesterday about synonyms and antonyms. So today, I'm going to teach you something that's actually really useful when you write in English. All right, so when you go to Seesaw, you will see this assignment that says January 13th English, use thesaurus to find synonyms. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this magical website works. So when you go to this assignment, you will see on the left, it says, click link to use the thesaurus website to find synonyms for a word. So, and I already have a word here for you that's good. And so what you're going to do is to click this right here. See, it takes you to, it's a link and takes you to a website. So click here. And I'm going to move this down so you can see. Yep. So now you are on the thesaurus website. So this is a website that you can search synonyms of a word. So for example, the word I had on the Seesaw was good, right? So I'm going to type good. And then I'm going to click this button, search. And it might take a few seconds to load. And you will see that there are a lot of words listed on here, right? So all of those words can be synonyms for good. But sometimes this website makes mistakes too. So like for example, bad. We all know bad is not a synonym for good. It's the opposite of good, right? So look through the list of words very carefully, and then pick 4 words that you think, I think those 4 words are really good synonyms for the word good. So for example, I think excellent, exceptional, favorable, and great. Marvelous and positive. Actually, those are all pretty good words for pretty good synonyms for the word good. So I'm going to go back to Seesaw right here. So I have to move my face. There we go. So I'm going to type 4 synonyms for the word good. So one, that was great. Okay. And then another one we saw on the list was excellent. Excellent. Okay. And another one, I think if I remember, positive. And there was another one that's favorable, I think. Sorry, whoopsie. All right, there we go. So I just found 4 synonyms that has very similar meaning to the word good, but they're all somehow a little bit fancier than the word good, right? So all of those are synonyms for good I found on this website called Thesaurus. Okay, so your assignment for today on Seesaw is to use this website and find synonyms for the word bad, the word big, and the word small. Okay, So remember, this website is not always 100% correct because nothing is perfect. So when you're looking through the list of words to try to find synonyms, which means words that have very similar meanings as this word, be very careful because you don't want accidentally picked antonyms, right? Because for this assignment, we want synonyms for those words on 1, 2, 3, 4 on those 4 pages, right? So when you're done with all 4 pages, remember each page needs to have 1, 2, 3, 4 different synonyms for this word. And then you can click this green check button to share your work with me. All right, I hope you enjoy exploring this website.